Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I'm ready to hop in the wheel, get shit, we gone. Knocking shit out, people on. Beat on that shit, he gone. Begging the bitch, be gone. Got a new check, we on. We not even tech, we glow. The switch on the back, do hits, we gone. You won't never see me calling on no nigga. I do it by myself. I don't need nobody else. It'll take me to go do something.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Me and some people. So YouTube, how y'all feeling, YouTube? Oh, junk, what's happening over there? Oh, somebody got pulled over. So JSO is out today. So listen, right, chat, we are going to have a little bit of content today. Hope that y'all are ready. And how y'all feeling today? I hope that y'all are doing great. Hope that your day is good, no matter what day it is. Just know it's gonna get better. Even if you're having a great time in your season, or you're having like a bad time, it's gonna get better, bro. It's gonna get even better. But right now we're going to Friendship Fountain, because I have curated a little Carmeet. If you guys aren't following my TikTok, that's also where I'm going to start posting a lot of content there too. Let me turn this down, or it's off. But I'm going to have a lot of content being posted there. Like right now, there's a post about car people in Jacks, and that junk blew up. I didn't expect it to have that many people so quickly. Like I literally posted it earlier this morning, and it already has, I think, 35,000 views already. That's insane. So we got definitely a deep server today. It's not just gonna be just us, thankfully. And yeah, this is bad. I don't know what's happening over there. Probably some construction that they closed off. But yeah, I'm just going there, just gonna go on a slight little cruise with them, take some flicks and stuff like that. Yo, let's put it to the little meat section. Got Sheila here. Sheila here with this little M240i, that bit hard and player. We got the Jetta and the Civic over that way. That's the homies. Yeah, we just pulled up to this bit right here. If you don't have it, there's like nobody here for real, but we getting some more people pulling up. But yeah, this shit hard, right? I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get some action going. Why they going so fucking fast, huh? So yeah, I'm sorry. That was like a lot. If I just cut to right here, it's because of that. These niggas slid out too far. Cut. Yeah, so it's only gonna be the three of us for right now. Because that the ones I did come up and chill, you know, they just had to slide somewhere else and wasn't going to the restaurant in the time that we had, so we're just gonna go back this way. That was like the most unnecessary journey right there, bro. What the fuck? Twin, I come around the corner, bro. Why we whipping so fast in the city, twin?
I turned my head game. I turned my head game. When I drove past, when I drove fast past that light, when we first started, I saw 2 cops in that corner, man. That's why I started sliding so quick, man.
Oh.
I thought it was on like.
That's why you turned your lights off?
Yes. I was going, though, not playing no game.
I thought niggas just wanted to drive, cuz.
I had to bust that turn.
That's smart. I was looking the fuck out that bitch. I was keeping it with your ass, man. I'm about to lose. Oh shit, ain't it tight? No, it ain't.
I'm probably going there and get a little water. Huh?
You approve?
Yeah.
I need to get my shit right.
Alright, twin. We just hop back in the car. We got some more gas, just a little bit. I don't have to worry about that shit. I hate people that do that, bro. Know your way, bro. Like, come on, gang. Do that one. I'm over it, too. if you guys enjoyed this video, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, but I might stitch it with another video. Actually, that's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna leave all that in too. Yeah. What's up, family? We back with another YouTube video. How y'all feeling today? Hope y'all feeling just as good as me. I'm feeling amazing. So I didn't post it. Hold on. I didn't post it, but on my main you know what I mean? On my Instagram, right? I had drove my dream car, the F90. I did not record a full video because it was just a pop-up thing. I just decided just to randomly just go do it while I was doing another errand. And let me tell you, that car is like this car but on max prestige 100. I loved it. And I will definitely will be getting that car for sure. That is no doubt. But tonight we're just going out on a normal Wednesday cruise. Feel me? Just going outside. I posted an Instagram. I mean, I posted a TikTok post about, like, you know, people that are in Jacksonville. So if you're in the Jacksonville area and you trying to, you know, get some Forza lobbies going, please go to my IG and go to the TikTok that I did. Damn, I'm sorry, I'm moving it. But please go to the IG and the TikTok. Look at that Instagram post. I mean, text me on Instagram and look at that TikTok post and, you know, get with me. Definitely finna have some motions going on sometime soon. Sometime. Yeah. And I was just going to Wawa because I am feeling a little bit drowsy, even though I did just sleep all day. But yeah. The way that the F90 shifts compared to the F10 is a lot sharper. It's almost too sharp. Feel me? I don't know how to explain it, but it was very satisfying. Some people getting some air in their tire. I ain't gonna park right there. Park right here. 553. Alright, so I'll see you in a second.